What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the creek. I'm going to be walking up the river this time and seeing if I can land any fish. Last time I did this, I caught some pretty decent fish and I landed quite a few good ones. So I'm going to make my way up the creek and see if I can catch any good fish. Let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so I've made it to the creek. I'm going to be making my way up this creek and fishing some spots here and there. And then at the end, there's this nice pocket and there's some big fish in there, guys. But I'm going to be fishing like little pockets like this right here. There's some lily pads. I have a watermelon red Cinco tied on. That seemed to hit pretty hard last time. So I'll go ahead and give that a shot. Make a few casts here and there. This is very shallow water. Should catch some fish here and there and see if we can land some, guys. There's a good little deep edge right here. Cast in the pads. In the back, right there. Keep moving. Oh, it gets deep here. Oh, it gets real deep here. I don't like this. There by a little. Oh guys, I have a fish on. I have a fish on. That's a nice one. Right as it landed. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. That's not a bad one, guys. Finally I catch a fish. I was fishing since yesterday and I struggled. There we go, guys. Not a giant. Right on top of the mouth. Wow, that literally didn't take that long. Not a bad one. Right as it landed, right under that tree. Pretty cool, guys. Go ahead and let this guy go. There he goes. There he goes. Oh my god, guys, that was epic. Let's see if we can catch some more, guys. Oh guys, I have a fish on. No, I had a fish on, guys. He took my Cinco. I cast it way out there and I was twitching it back and forth. I had a fish on, guys. Keep fishing. Alright guys, so I'm about made it to the last spot of the day. There's a little pocket right here that I'm going to fish, and then I've made it to the main area I'm going to fish. I'm going to start fishing, guys, starting right here. Some good little pockets right here. After this tree, just got to get past it, and hopefully we can catch another one, guys. See if we can make it happen. Alright guys, so this is the last spot I'm going to be fishing. Pretty nice little spot. I've caught some decent fish here. My friends have caught some decent fish here, like 3-pounders. So I'm going to go ahead and fish this spot and see if I can land any fish. Let's get to it, guys. There we go, guys. I have a fish on. That's a nice one. Oh my god, guys, I gotta get this guy in. That is a decent one. He's fighting so hard. This is so fun, guys. He murked that thing. Get in here, buddy. Right on top of the mouth. Look at that hook set. Hook came right out. Please tell me I'm recording. Yes, I am recording, guys. There we go. Nice little chunker. These things are pure muscle. They fight so hard. He's bleeding a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and let him go real quick. Get him back in the water as soon as possible. There he goes. Take off that way. Not a bad fish, guys. Let's see if we can catch a bigger one though. Alright guys, it's not a bad day so far. Pretty successful day. Casted it, let it sink to the bottom, reeled it up a little. I felt tension, set the hook. I wasn't sure, but I caught a fish, guys. Fought like a 3-pounder though. With this current, he fought really hard. They're used to living in this current. They're pure muscle, these largies. And it's really fun to fight these fish. I thought that was a giant. Oh guys, I think I have another fish on. There we go, guys. Third fish of the day. That's a nice one. Another dinker, actually. Get in here, buddy. Little dink, guys. Third fish of the day. I thought that was a nice fish. Little guy. Not complaining though. There you go, guys. Third fish of the day. Seems like we're getting smaller every time, but it's okay. Not a bad fish. Gotta let this fish go. There he goes. Back to feed some more. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 3 fish in total and I lost a ton of fish. I don't know how many I lost, but it was a pretty good day after all. A little good creek mission. It went pretty good. Sorry about that wind. With that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future content, and I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.